Joshua,
Huh?
what's the mask for?
The mask is for when the ball hit my face, it does a heart.
Okay, are you ready? Okay, throw it to me. All right, here we go. Oh, it hit your face. Did it hurt?
No.
Where's the ball? Look, look over here. There it is. Okay.